In the name of Allah, the most merciful and mercy. Thank you, sir, to give me opportunity to talk something about something in front of you people. Thank you, sir. Today my topic of presentation is globalization. First we know that what is globalization, what is the definition. Globalization, it is the process by which a business or any other organization can influence in on international level. It defines the interdependence or reciprocal relation between good trades, relationship, marketing, and some more terms of various countries. For example, globalization allows companies to produce low-cost products. It allows companies or markets to produce low-price products, cost products. So their aim is to gain a lot amount of services and products. For example, MNCs. MNCs is the multinational companies. It investing in the various areas of the world, in various countries of the world. Its aim is to make the companies and this investment is called the foreign investment, and they made the companies and that companies provide some products. That product called the foreign products, and by these products the trade keep on. So this trade is called the foreign trade, and with other countries. So this all the process is called the globalization. There are three types of globalization. Of globalization, the economic globalization, it focuses on financial marketing and exchange. Political globalization, it focuses on the political policies of various countries. It carrying out together the various countries together. The third one is cultural globalization. It focuses on social and cultures of different countries. What is the aim of globalization? The aim of globalization is to produce low-cost products, and by this process, all the peoples who are poor or rich, they both lives better with less money. So their aim is to produce low-cost products. For example, the McDonald's. McDonald's, there are almost 39,000 restaurants in all over the 119 countries. And the second one is Amazon. Amazon has almost 1.3 million the services and the consumers. So this is my topic, globalization, and thank you for watching.